Hi everyone, here's another project share. So these ones are the 6x6 treat holders, and I think they're so cute because there's so many different ways of celebrating any occasions and holidays this year. And since we're staying home, we're going to go ahead and just create. So these are really cute by using your 6x6 paper pads, and it's a great way to use them all, or cut down your 12x12. Again, these two are from the Recollection Noel designer paper stack, and then this red one here with the glitter is from the Recollection also Jolly Holiday stack. So they're really cute. There are 48 sheets in here, and that's what I do. I cut these little you know how they show you what's inside, so I cut them, and that's what I'll be using as the little tags, which I did with the Noel paper stack. So yeah, so you could fill these up with some goodies, what do you call it, some candies, even like a little, you know, cookies, anything that you think will fit in here. They're just perfect for that special occasion. So let's go ahead and create this. So what you want to go ahead and start with is get your 6x6 designer paper and a cardstock that measures 3 by 2.5, and that will be your bottom base. You can use any sentiment or a gift tag if you have some from like the Dollar Tree or anything that you have laying around, or if you have some from your stash that you handmade, those are perfect. This one is jute twine that I got from the Dollar Tree, and there's like 3 in one stack. 3 in one pack, so they're perfect for doing all these little tutorials and gift bags. So, you know, if you run out of like ribbons or trims or anything like that, they're perfect for that. So let's go ahead and start. So the first thing you want to do is get your scoreboard. So I have this small one for cards, and then I also have the big, huge 12x12 Martha Stewart scoreboard. So you can use any scoreboard that you have, because they could be used in the small one as well. So your base on the on this side, which is the 3 by 2.5, you're going to score all corners at 3 3/4. So that's what you're going to do, is just score it at 3 3/4 on all sides, like so here. Okay, so this was just a scratch from something, a scrap from something. I used it to back up something, but I decided not to. But I was like, you know, as scrappers, we love to recycle papers. So yeah, that's what I did. So go ahead and fill those creases on there. You can use your score, your bone folder if you want, but it's really, yeah, you can just use your hand. So you just want to cut up to the first score line for each side. So as you could see, I'm just cutting this one right here. Okay, and then you can use wet glue on these ones to put them together. So you're just going to go ahead and push these 2 small ones in and make this little cute little rectangular box. So let's hope that this glue is working. Thank you. Sometimes it does get clogged up over here. Let me trim this a little bit here, because it looks like trim just a sliver there. But so you want to do is do one side first. So you want to push that into this edge, pinch, and then do also on the opposite side right here. On the same side, and just pinch also. And bring these 2 in, and then you want to go ahead and just pinch those as well. You want to let them meet at the edge, and as well as there. And just press it down. I'm going to use these little things that I got at Dollar Tree. So I use them for my backdrop, but they're just going to pinch it to make it a little bit, well, you don't need to do that because I'm doing a video, so I don't have time to let it dry out. But you just make sure that it is stuck on there really good. I am using the Art Glitter wet glue here, and it's just, I love it. I've used it for all my projects, and I have yet to run out. So, and then what you're going to do is, you can use the wet glue, but I don't know. I used the wet glue earlier for outside this to attach it to the 6x6. And as you could see, it started to get like warp. So, and it was harder to stick it on. So I will be using my score tape here, double-sided tape. So make sure that your front is facing the way you want the box to look. So it's going to go like this. So you can roll it up a little, just give it a little texture, especially if your paper has like, it's really heavy or sturdy, so that way it rolls up. And then just go ahead and tape the bottom. Try to get it all the way down to the very end of the paper. That way, when you put your box, it's really just gonna just, oh shucks. Okay, maybe I put, there you go. Okay. And then again, like I said, so this is my front. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Okay, so I can do it this way. So it'll be like this. So then, oh yeah, it's still fine. So this is my front, correct? Okay. So you're just gonna make an L shape. So a backwards L. So your long line will be here, and then the bottom L will be this way. So, okay, so your tape side should be on your left side. That's what I mean. So next time, put bottom first, and then your your left side. Should be like this. Okay. And then you just want to make sure that it's really adhere on that paper. I've been using my bone folder to press it down just to make sure there's no air bubbles in there, because sometimes I do get air bubbles inside my tape because the way I lay it sometimes. I don't know why. So, okay, how does it go? Okay, it's like this. Oh no, did I do it wrong? It should have been this way. Oh no, I did it wrong. Okay. Oh no. Could I do it that way? No, I can't. So it should have been. Okay, so the way I did it. Oh, yes, I can. Oh, hello. Okay, so you get what I'm saying. It's just confusing when I'm looking at the pattern, because the pattern has all these different cookies that are all over the place. So you want to go ahead, point this little point and match it with that little point of the paper. So just like that. So the edge here is taped to that edge there. You see it? So this edge is all the way to the end. Then you want to slowly go ahead and just flip the box or your bottom base over. And as if you're just like following it slowly, like so. Okay, and then you just want to go ahead and help it just a little bit, because then now you're going to take out this part of the tape, which is the left side. So make sure left is on left side and the bottom tape on bottom. Okay, and then just go ahead and knead up to that. And then you just want to go ahead and push that in. Push that in as well. And then use a ruler as well. You can use a ruler to go in there and make sure that it's pressed down, as well as your bone folder. Just want to make sure that it's really pressed on there. Okay. So maybe it's not, I don't know, but it should be fine. And then you just want to pinch it. Pinch it here. If there's any hangovers, the paper, just trim that. And here's your choices. You can go ahead and use the crimper like I've done before as the sour cream pouch. You can use a stapler to staple this. as you want, but I'm gonna punch a hole here and just tie the jute twine on here. So do you see the inside there? It's okay. So now you can put whatever, you know, like candies. I'm just gonna put random things in here. You know, any good things like treats, whatever. And then what you're gonna do is just take your hole puncher or your crocodile, which is what I'll be using, and you're just gonna go ahead and just punch, try to eyeball it, and I'm just gonna punch straight in the middle, like so. And then take your twine. I think this is about 16 inches. Let me see, I just wanna make sure. So, yeah, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 inches, 19 inches of twine. And then what you want to do is this little loop here, you want it to come towards you, like so. It's coming towards you, the front of the box. And then take this and just, hey, what's going on? It's jamming up on me. Hold on one second. So you just even it out, put the loop through. Front is going to have that little ring here, that little loop. You just pull this inside like so, and you just tie it just a little bit, make it a little bit snug. Then you want to go ahead and take whatever gift tag you want to use, which I'll be using this. And then you just want to punch your little hole in there, like so. And then take the end of that twine and then just, let's see here, put it through, like so. I'll show you. And for me, I just make a little loop and make it a little cute bow, just like that. As you can see, it's so cute. And you could do like, you can even add some, you know, bells in there. Like you can have some bells inside here. If you don't want to use, like I said, the whole punch here, you can use the clothespin, mini clothespin to do it. You can just, you know, you can just do whatever you want. You can embellish it more. You can add some more sentiment. You can add some more, what do you call it, chipboard, ephemera, or some die cuts on here. I mean, it's no limit. You could do so many things with these gift card holders, not gift card holders, but they're treat holders. So these are just so stinking cute to me. I love them. I hope you guys too. These are just perfect for any occasions, like I said. And thanks for watching.